The OnePlus Nord 5 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting mid-range smartphones of 2025, combining flagship-level upgrades with an affordable price tag that's sure to catch the attention of tech enthusiasts across the globe. Right from the moment you pick it up, the device impresses with its sleek aesthetics and thoughtfully engineered design. At the front, you're greeted by a stunning 6.74-inch flat OLED display that delivers immersive visuals thanks to its 1.5K resolution and ultra-smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Whether you're browsing the web, gaming, or watching HDR content, the display stays crisp, vivid, and fluid. The inclusion of an in-display fingerprint scanner adds to the modern, minimal look and ensures fast, secure unlocking without compromising on style. Powering this performance-centric device is the newly introduced MediaTek Dimensity 9400E chipset, a binned version of the flagship Dimensity 9400 that offers an impressive balance of speed and efficiency. Built on an advanced architecture, this processor brings you a lag-free experience even when running demanding apps or multitasking heavily. It's optimized for long gaming sessions, AI-driven features, and heat management, making it a standout performer in the Nord lineup. Whether you're switching between high-load apps or editing videos, the Nord 5 delivers smooth and responsive performance that rivals some premium-tier devices. The camera system on the OnePlus Nord the 5th of May seemed minimalist with just 2 sensors on the back, but don't be fooled, it's powerful and versatile. The main attraction is the 50MP primary camera with optical image stabilization, OIS, which captures detailed shots with remarkable clarity even in challenging lighting. Whether it's a well-lit landscape or a dim indoor setting, this sensor holds its own impressively. Accompanying it is an 8MP ultra-wide lens, perfect for group photos, sweeping nature shots, or creative compositions. On the front, the 16MP selfie camera ensures you look your best in every video call and selfie, delivering balanced exposure and natural tones, aided by smart AI enhancements. Battery life takes a massive leap forward in the Nord 5, thanks to the huge 7,000 mAh battery, which is a significant upgrade over its predecessor, the Nord 4. This mammoth battery ensures all-day, and even 2-day, usage without breaking a sweat, making it ideal for power users and travelers. And when you do need to recharge, the 100W fast charging technology kicks in, juicing up the device in a fraction of the time compared to competitors. Say goodbye to battery anxiety and hello to uninterrupted productivity and entertainment. The build quality of the OnePlus Nord 5 strikes a fine balance between durability and aesthetics. With a glass back that exudes premium vibes and a plastic frame that keeps the weight down, the phone feels solid and comfortable in hand. It also features dual stereo speakers, delivering loud, clear audio for music and media consumption, and even includes an IR blaster, a surprisingly handy feature that turns your phone into a universal remote for home appliances. On the software front, the Nord 5 ships with Android 15 right out of the box, skinned with OxygenOS 15, known for its near-stock Android experience, fast updates, and user-friendly features. The interface is clean, responsive, and enhanced with several customization options that allow you to make the phone truly yours. From gesture controls to always-on display features, the software complements the hardware perfectly. Perhaps one of the most compelling aspects of the OnePlus Nord 5 is its pricing. Expected to land at around 30,000 Indian rupees in India, approximately $355 or 313 euros, it offers an unbeatable value proposition for anyone looking for a phone that punches far above its weight. With features typically reserved for flagship phones, such as a high-end display, massive battery, fast charging, and a powerful chipset, the Nord 5 is not just a mid-range phone, it's a flagship killer in disguise.